iPhone 14 Pro Distance Sensitive Lineup Repair Operation. This is an iPhone 14 Pro equipped with iOS 18.1.1 system. The automatic light sensing function and compass are not available. Take out the Luben L3 repair instrument. Plug in main set sensor pair expansion board. Will automatically jump to the relevant page. Take out distance sensitive lineup. Buckle cable onto the repair spare expansion board. Click test. Test display normal. Plug in the mobile phone data cable to connect the mobile phone. Detection display bind. Click right, confirm right. Detection display right success. Detection display exists data. Turn off the phone and install the cable on the phone. The auto sensing function and compass have been fixed.